Yo, good morning, Jason. Captain Call out, you're up early, man. Just kidding, you're probably up all the time. Let me get this thing up. Good morning, good morning. Did you do any futures overnight? Dude, my baby's screaming right now. I just burped her too. Deep charts. Let me Google that. What is that? Let me Google that. Is it a platform? Deep charts. Deep charts. Order flow. This guy, right? But you know something crazy? Um, what up, Lane? You know something crazy, Captain? We actually have one of the good trader here in the group. He's got a platform incoming, like behind, like it's hot. He's been working on, so I'm excited for him to like launch it soon, hopefully soon. But yeah, it looks, yep, pretty much something like this. You can chart directly on it. Got footprints, got gamma, got Gex, delta, everything on the chart. As simple as possible. And then, you know, his what are those freaking balls? What the hell? I call them balls. What are they? You know what I'm talking about? I bet you Jason knows what I'm talking. Layton, this is a deep chart. Captain just brought it up to me. I never checked it out, but what's the pricing on it? So they got $7 a month for an annual. You do month to month, 3 months, 100. Layton, I would say this is like a more in-depth chart of like looking at pricing. I wonder how it compares to like TradingView, because I have footprints on TradingView. You know? I got footprints on there, so maybe I'm gonna show them. Yeah. Hold on, let me show. Let me close this out. Let's go in here. Myrna, please. Dang. You on it? I'm not gonna trade futures right now. I gotta wait. What Myrna? Dude, I haven't heard that name for a while. What do you know about Joey? Is pharmaceutical in right now? Okay, the 4-hour push nicely. Last couple of days. Initial push off was on last December, early December. Came back, we tested 113. bounced off. Now it's just riding a 9 and 20 EMA up on a 4 hour. That looks nice. Gino, what's up, my guy? Gino, dude, I came back from Florida for work, and I caught the nastiest fucking COVID or some bullshit flu. I've been dead at home for like 3 days. Saturday, I couldn't move. I was in bed all day. I slept all day. Sunday, I tried to get up, but I just slept again. I'm barely recovering. Yeah, dude. And my kids, Tristan's he's feeling better, but like I feel bad for Ava because she caught something too. So mad. Joey, this looks nice, Joey. It comes back to support. It's off the 9 EMA on a 20. Are you in it right now already, Joey? Because you had a good neckline support right here. Everything's curling up. When's earnings? Earnings is like in 2 weeks. You can ride it up. You got a good ride right here. You're in options. Jay Moore, no. What are you asking? Ava, we don't know if Ava got it. I'm pretty sure she caught like call it RSV, right? But yeah, her fever's better. So she has like the runny nose and whatnot. Prime, good morning. Tiffany, good morning. Joey, good morning. Gotta say good morning to all you guys. Good morning. Thanks for joining. What's the support amount? What does that mean, Joey? Hey, Joey, thanks for follow. What does that mean? What is the support amount? Are you asking what the dollar the pricing? 45. So honestly, if you're already in options, are you in options or what are you doing? Are you looking to answer, Joey? I need better context. Yeah, Gino, it's just like it's sick as fuck. Shares at 45. Oh, you're in shares at 45? You just bought shares at 45. Okay. So check this out. Expect a retracement because you got earnings coming up. How many shares did you get? If you're in for the long haul, like you're holding it for a while, $900. You can shell contracts against that if you haven't looked into it, Joey. You should. Look into selling contracts against it. You got 900. That means you can sell 9 contracts and make some passive income behind the scene while you're holding shares. Like, pay it off over time. But 45, it's got to hold here a little bit. You're going to see some red. Hopefully, it's going to just bounce direct off this 9 EMA at the 45 where you're at right now. But if I'm going to impulse this fib, I'm going to fib this impulse. The initial move was with that guy right there. You got a box of sellers here. So technically you pushed up, sellers smacked it back down. Is it retraced back to the golden zone? You expect it today to hold around here. Where's it opening in at? Yeah, we're in the golden zone pocket. From what I can see on the chart, from what I can see like visually right now, I'm not like a magician. I can't tell you pricing future and shit. It might pull back to 43.80, a little bit more. Then it'll continue up. But if you're holding it for a long run and you want to add more, you can expect it to come back down on $39, $40. But earnings coming up, I haven't checked. I don't know how Myrna is doing this year, so I can't I'm trying to check the background outflow options. Came in from Myrna recently. Hold on. Airborne Zaddy. What's up? Yeah, 99% of the time. That's my buy zone. My buy zone will always be to go in pocket. And then my buy zone is always off the 113. Today is Myrna. Joe, I'm checking for Myrna options. popped up recently. Yesterday, bunch of puts contract came in 35. Is that the ask side or the ask? Yeah. Yeah, expected. Puts came in at 35. They won't pull that back a little bit more. 43. On the 21st, like, is that last week? We have 60 calls. This is a fatty flow right here. 2,000 volume, 12 open interest. So these guys are playing both sides of the earnings coming up. The trading against earnings. I'm gonna keep an eye on this, like when it gets closer to earnings, see like if this sneaky little flow that comes in, because we like to catch those a lot. What did Jamor ask? I have no idea what he asked. Off topic. I'm trying to find what he asked. What's that bot called? We use unusual whales and trading ticks, and I have a custom filter on the back end on their site. So it's a paid subscription on unusual whales, and we just customize the filter to get exactly what we want to see coming in to our Discord, because there's like 1,000 different flows coming in all the time. We don't care about like those thousands. We don't care about the ones that we trade. Oh, 4 hour. I'm on a 4 hour. Yeah, you want to see it moving? And Myrna is a slow movement. It's not gonna move. Yeah, you want to see it mover. Who's moving pre-market right now? SPX moving. Nvidia should be moving. Nvidia had good news overnight. See that? That little spike. I caught that spike overnight trading futures MNQ. That thing just shot up overnight. Thank you, China. See the massive volume show up below price with gravity towards the Yep. Love volume profile. Use it all the time. Love it. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I like to look at the 4 hour frame pretty much all the time. And I'll zoom in. I'll go daily 4 hours and I'll zoom in to know exactly what I want to trade. I'm expecting to have SPX pull back and QQQ pull back a lot more. So I can try to hit a challenge later. Dunzo. Got it. Got it, Fiddy. Thank you. This is Tradeovate, right? They can just do Project X, Top X. Gex, yeah. Can you check NAC? Oh, Prime. Sorry, dude. NAC. Northern Dynasty Minerals. I know you always got some sneaky ass trade for us, Prime. Yeah, Project I has its own system, yeah. That's why I was like, hey, 50, you trade last night? Last night I had the most fucking fun ever trading on MNQ. So I did the 4-hour fib. Here, just a little nice little touch for you guys. 4-hour fib. So the previous 4-hour candle overnight trading was this guy, right? So I did low to high, and I just used all of these levels throughout the whole night. Those fib levels. Granted, we had good news, and it just like shot up. Wild. I missed this leg originally. I missed twice of it. I missed about like 50 cents each. All profile, price has high hyperliquidity, massive volume profile sales. Are you shorting it? I didn't even touch silver or gold. Goodness gracious. Sorry, I need to look at the back. Did you buy shares? Oh, guys, TikTok, you guys are good with the music, right? There's no music in the back end, or like just really low. Because I swear to God, you guys tell me there's like loud music. If you're not already in like this trade prime, I wouldn't get into this move. I just don't like any names that are like this low, because they're so easily manipulated. Yeah. Like if you're watching this prime, there. It's just like not something I would like, they have options though. This is something you'd buy like 10 contracts for like a year. That's like the same as like this company I bought contracts for. It's a Mexican. Yeah, dude. I bought I had $9 contracts for like over a year more when it was like still down here, just fucking around. They were like dirt cheap. They were like $11 each. And look at, I made like $1 billion from that. Not $1 billion, but I made a good amount of money off that. Off his cement company. That's kind of funny. Kind of fucking funny. Corey. Damn, low tones. Are you in a group or something? Who are you, my guy? Thank you. Put your low tones again in our group. I don't even know which name it is. I'm not speaking shit. Today I'm watching SPX. End of day trade. Nvidia. If it breaks the 192 to hold, you can enter calls. Dude, I would love to have you like here all every morning, man. I'm just getting back on. I've been sick. Yesterday I couldn't even stay on here long. Like last week I was gone. I was dead, man. Mario YouTube, thank you for the follow. Go for the follow. What are you guys watching this morning? Low tones to the follow. I appreciate you, man. Always love a good conversation, good vibe with all the traders on here. I met some really great traders on here randomly. One of our good traders like joined our group. His name is Vino. He's a killer. Hey Mari, thank you, man. That dude's a killer. He's like, I was just taking a shit and then I found your TikTok and joined it, and then now I'm just making hella money off you guys. I'm like, oh, they're making enough money off you too, you smart ass. Love that guy. But yeah, it's the audio okay. My voice and voice. My voice and music, sorry. Medication's not kicking in yet. What up, Gora? Software's up. CoreWeave, Prime. I know we have Flow. Prime, check the room. Someone brought up. Let me do a search for you. I think someone's trading that. Brought up CoreWeave. Hey, if you guys are in the room and you want to use options and like don't know much options, or just want to trade options, just trail Titan into him. Whatever he does, just buy like 1 or 2 contracts. Just relax. Of course, have your own risk management, right? But do doesn't matter. Prime, we had. Hold on, let me check my contracts over my swing. See if I post anything there. Is data like not moving for anyone? Oh, so it's just. My Weeble is like not moving. What the fuck is happening? Brody. Mari, that's the best way to trade or practice. Use simulators, paper trading. Oh, dude, low tones. So our boy, we have two of the boys, two of the fellas in the group. They developed a platform that can pin down that shows live gamma on the charts, and it'll pull out the contracts of what's being hit. It's wild. I'll pull up in a little bit to show you, but hold on, let me see something. Prime, we've had flow options coming in recently. For 120 calls for the end of the month. 120 calls for 120 calls. Here's a big one. 130, 112 calls came in yesterday as well. I would get CoreWeave right now to try it out, But hold on, I'm checking Tesla. Tesla over 444 is my interest. If this thing bounced back, Brody coming likes. Brody, can we get like 10,000 likes today? What? I might trade Tesla. Give me a second. Like that right now. Come on. Hurry and populate my shelves. It's a lot of EMAs right here. It's gonna have a really hard time. Over 450, it's a long for me. Over 450 for Tesla, I'm definitely going for it. If it gets into 444 and hold 44, it's chop. 444 to 450 is chop, but I don't mind trading that at all. I'm looking at contracts right now. What's the perfectionist? I'm not Mario. I'm looking at Tesla charts right now. I'm not in anything yet. What's the best market to learn to trade? What's the best market to learn how to trade or learn? Mari, I would suggest finding the most basic, simple, like how to trade options or how to trade futures on YouTube. Learn support, resistance, supplies, demand zones. Learn Fibonacci, like the basic stuff. And then strategies wise, all good. Hey, Low Tones, I'll catch you next time, my guy. Appreciate you for dropping by. Thank you, man. Chino Blends, what's up? Hey, Rudy, didn't catch you in there. Brody, silver. Brody, you're not allowed to touch silver. I already told you that, dude. Remember? I'm fucking up you. Evals for that shit. Oh, just read. Like, you don't learn the market. You just read and understand it over time. Like, if you were to ask, honestly, if you were to ask me, like, what's the market sentiment right now? I'm like, I don't know. I haven't read the news. Like, I haven't caught up the overnight news or like the ChatGPT recap from yesterday. I should have read the notes in the group, but I didn't. Like, tell me one example, Mari, of what do you mean by you don't know about the markets and stuff? Tell me one thing that, like, the first thing that popped in your head that can help you trade. Like, do you mean like you want to know about the market sentiment for the day, like what sector's moving? I gotta pull back. Or we pull back as well, and then we pull back as well. I need a bigger pullback in SPX. $850. I'm trying to do a challenge today. You want to do a challenge for me? It's different for everyone. You can do futures if you just want to trade like tick by tick, just purely price action, or you just want to trade options, or if you're like a long-term trader and you just buy shares and just hold it. It's different. Most of us are day traders. We got a bunch of futures traders now, so So don't get a cash account. Do a paper trading account, um, and then pick one. I suggest learning futures first, so you actually know like how to read a chart and how to react to price action. From there, you can pick up options. Indices. So futures like trading indices, right? So this is MNQ. Chart looks nasty crazy right now. Hold on. Let's go just one, for an example. I have enough buffer for one. How do you describe that? How do you like? Botones, how would you define, describe trading futures? You're technically not trading prices in the future that reflect prices that's gonna come up to that. That's what I thought originally. Dummy. Like when I first heard about futures, I'm like, so if I look at futures pricing, then I have a good idea of what SPX is gonna do soon. Way off. Dumbass. Oh, low tone. So we told Brody that if he's doing paper trade, he has to turn his account, make the amount of money, money realistic. So drop it down to like 2,000. Especially if you're trading futures, you can't even do that many. He can't even buy that many. So he has to do like 1 or 2 MNQ. Damn, low tones. Albert Sci-Fi. How do you go from paper trading to trading real money when you have enough courage? When you're ready. Albert, thanks for following, my guy. That's about it, man. Going from paper trading to real money, courage. When you have enough courage and understanding. And Loton is absolutely right. Like paper trading, you're like, oh, it's paper trading, you're just fucking around, blah, blah. But if you set it to like the amount that you want to realistically have, especially if prop firm, right? The drawdown's 2,000. So you put 2,000 or you put 2,500 in your paper trading setup. And you go from, you trade 1 or 2 MNQ at a time. And compound. Trading is trading. Doesn't matter what market. It's all lines and numbers and charts. It's all pricing, technically. Take the charts away, it's just pricing. But the lines help. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do anything into FOMC. Look. Is the 100 ticker doing anything? The 100 ticker still moving. T-Mac. What a roundup. clear it out right here. Breakout level. Yeah, dude, SPX is hot today. You gotta wait to FOMC. Okay, well, I'm gonna wait to the end. Wait for discounts. Or we just trade SPY. I told a doctor in the group, I'm like, can we turn 1,000 to 20,000 today, SPX? Then we catch the right side. Chab, Aiden, yeah, man. Prime. They had a breakout level. High liquid update. Sneaky guy. Earnings. Next month on the 12th. Someone asked Omex. Prime, this one looks good. TMQ. 721 hold. I don't mind taking contracts out. GME Prime. I'm gonna tell the guys in the group that. But gotta be above the orange line. Clear these fuckers out. They've been killing it, Ethan. Silver. Dr. Pill in the group, he's like 30K in like overnight on silver. That boy's madness. He didn't go to sleep at all. What the fuck is that looking? Sorry. Omex. What is this? Odyssey Marine Exploration. What is this, my guy? Silver's gonna be like $500 by the end of this month. That's in 2 days. Who asked this? Chab. This pen name's interesting. I don't know what to say about this. Are you trying to scalp it? If you are, you have room. Like another 20 cents, 30 cents up. But if you want a discount, you want to have a safer trade, wait until it gets to like 220 to buy some. That's what I would do for Omex. Yeah, if you have this on a chart, Chab, yeah, Chab, do that. Mark out 211 to buy. I wouldn't buy it. If it goes under this orange line, I wouldn't touch it. That's the 113 line. You're welcome. We're still right now. Silver's gonna be at 125 today. Watch. Nutty. Nvidia's gotta make up its mind. Look at this chart on Nvidia. Liquid. Let's do some Tesla. Unsuccessful. What did it say? It's an application, right? You just apply. Stop playing. Yeah, man. Add me on. He has a friend too. There, I pinned the Discord to this chat, to the TikTok chat box, whatever the fuck you call it. Layton, here. I'm not trading anything right now. I'm waiting for. It's this guy right here. Let's just blow this guy up. Go search for this guy, VRVP. And these are the settings I have up. VRVP. And then you can do roles, layout. I do text per row. You do 8, 9. I like the total, but I might just change it to up and down. So you can see the buyers and seller. You have red and sorry. I still have this nasty cough too. Get you in. You smart one. Mo. Yeah, definitely interested in Tesla today. Low tone say he's gonna leave and he never left. You just stay. Why you playing? Guy. Oh, Tesla has earnings? Sorry, Liquid. Fuck. Dude, I told you, COVID's like ripping my brain apart. I'm all melted. Already took 20 milligrams. Didn't feel anything. Stupid ass bug. Sorry, Liquid. I didn't know. How much contracts? Okay, you got me. That was a good catch. Good catch. Look at that. Got checked by that. Fine, slow tones. You got a daisy tag. Bro, I'm just gonna get you straight in. When you can, just go read the start here stuff. So you don't understand. And we'll go from there. Jason, you can do SPX later today? FOMC? Hell yeah, I'm waiting for that. So never mind about Tesla trades today because it has earnings. I'm a dummy. Um, let's just chill then, I guess. Is Tradeovate back on yet? Can I take this, like, can we trade futures again? 15? It's up. Everything is good. It's green. Actually, no. It's good on Tradeovate itself. That doesn't make sense. Everything is green, but they're looking at interruption. So is it good or not? What does that mean? Look, everything is green. Like, simulation, everything is good. And then we have that. Hey, 50, can you take one silver trade and see how it goes? Let me know you can close it. Dude, imagine it lets you, like, or let you, like or a film, and then it's just, like, not work. Hey, Brody. No, I'm not. Brody needs to learn better. See what happens when you guys are like trading silver? Drop your P&L. Get my guy all itchy and shit. It's like TG the other day. TG had some good trades, but gotta learn. These youngins gotta learn. Please. The waffles. Dude, watching this 100 tick. Kind of nutty. Just gonna chop here. It's gonna stick to the VWAP all day. To FOMC. Another trade. Waffles, thank you for the follow. CC, is it over with that issue, or can I degen some silver with 50? We're just gonna close our eyes and take a silver trade as soon as Brody tell us to enter or not. What do you think, 50? You got enough buffer? Ready for this challenge? What's this thing? Did I draw it? Why is it so crazy? Oh, this is nasty movement, man. take them, we're gonna die. Kind of don't want to die today. Yeah, no futures trading for us. None. All right, let's do some chartings. What do you guys want to look at? We got earnings coming up. Several earnings. Let's just look for flow. That's what I like to do. Let's look for good flow. But hey, Waffles, I appreciate you. Top stacks. Good, right? I'm trading top stacks, right? Hey, everyone, you guys still on TikTok? Press the share button. I want to see how far we can get. Brody's lagging behind. Can't get me like 10,000 likes already. He's usually at 12,000 likes already. Saw that one coming. No, I'm not. Sorry. I was just mumbling to myself, reading emails and looking at flow. Like, I don't see any trades yet. I'm looking through the Discord and see if anyone's taking anything else. Oh, dude, in the Discord, guys, if you haven't seen yet, under the channel MCDX, Vinyl and Pirate came up with they put their algos together and their bots together, and it's wild. Here, for example, this is an NDX. Was it NDX? You guys see that? You guys see that? You guys see that, right? This is NDX 5 minutes ago. Pretty much, we figured out how to price entry, target 1, 2, 3, when to enter, what's the thesis, and what's the momentum. So we're still testing them with. I'm testing with real money, but so is Pirate, and so is Vinyl. But yeah, if you're in the room, just paper test it. Crazy, huh? SPX and NDX. So you can do Spy and QQQ. Wild. I have nothing else to say. I can chart. What do you want to chart? Hi, my boys. It's too early. Good morning. It's too early. You guys want to go pee, brush teeth, wash your face, or just pee and go lay down and hang out for a little bit? Gorf, yeah, let's chart. What do you want to chart? I was just going through. Oh, let's go back. I'm looking through the flow chain right now. I see anything interesting is popping up. And then from there, we can just chart it. SPX doing a pullback that I'm expecting it to do. UEC. Got you guys. UEC is a move. Oh my god. That was a move. That was great. Vinyl alerted us UEC. We jumped in. I caught part of it. He caught the whole leg. Beautiful. Let's see. You seen if we can have a pullback to enter? Of course, uranium. I think uranium play will just be this year's theme. And then pull Tesla off my screen, so I don't do something stupid by it accidentally. SPX to a gap. 69 calls. Good trade, my guy. Impulse. Give it a little bull flag. Pop back up. So if you were to enter this again, let's say we're looking at today re-entry. Around here. Around there would be good money to re-enter. But we like a bigger discount. See if we can go like here. If it gets here, then you definitely need to buy. Go green. This will be fine. Do you chart Solana? I can. Sol? What's the ticker? Sol USD? This one? As you can tell, I don't trade these guys. What does it mean has Sol futures? Can I trade futures? It's just confusing. So I'm gonna click this one, Coinbase one. I think they're all the same pricing. Yeah. Wasn't this like not that much before? And I was like, a lot? It's crazy. Or am I thinking like XRP? You see all that red right here? It's nutty. I don't think. Let me see. Does it have that indicator? Let's look for it. Client profile, right? Let's see. No, Weeble doesn't have that. I don't see it on there. Yeah. Hold on. Freaking hot. Hey, Gore, thank you for the gifts, my guy. Appreciate you. Oh my God, it's getting hot. Let me know what you think. So, going to do this in upcoming weekly days. What are your takes? Are you? You're a micro Skyper, huh? You're just in and out. Layton. He's scalping the shit out of that. Ah, nice. Since $22, bro. What the? My dude is rich at $22. This thing is at $125. Just holding to this like $90,000 like Bitcoin. What's your thesis right now? Based on the 4 hour, based on what I'm looking at, check out PSTG. Do two things at once. When Liquid tells me something, I check. Liquid, tell me what you're doing. Below 100? 1, 2. Knocked twice already. Split that up bigger. Probably not. Nah. Below 120? I see below 120, but not below 100. I don't see it dropping below 100. From what the chart shows. Every 80 call flow on 115 PSTG, PSTG. Nine's not gonna. If it pushes through a 9, it'll move up. If it stays below 9, we'll probably see 120 for you. Yeah, I don't see below 100, but 120, this area, they lose 116, then you can see 100, but too good bounce. Yes, I say yes like 3 times. Do you want to go to school today? Okay. Go brush it. Go pee. Go brush your teeth. Last night. No. Good. You're good now. You can eat whatever you want, but I need. How about a bagel? Because I don't want to eat bread and chocolate. How about bagel and peanut butter? Okay, go get your brother ready too. Yeah. Oh, Gora, if I just read your thing, you got your ass spanked, dude. Go pee yet? These kids are so cute. You want noodles?
No way.
Why not? Noodles good, Tristan. I mean Hunter. Wait, no way. We can have. Okay. Well, can we get you guys get brushed up and ready for school? One step at a time, you little monsters. No, don't wake her. Don't wake her up. Let mommy sleep. Shh. Oh my god, kids, I love them so much. Gore, that's the best thing I read this morning. I'm sorry, man. Hopefully it wasn't a lot that you got beat up by, you little maniac. Hey, wear a bull suit today, okay? I didn't make the move yet, Liquid. Smart man. You. IWM too. Liquid, I like this chart a lot. Should we do it? I'm gonna start a small one. Liquid, I take a small one. I'm gonna do those 80 calls for the 20th next month. I'm in. You're probably already in. Okay, Liquid, I'm in. I love it. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. Sorry. Just freaking coughed into the microphone. Spy. 980 mil. Six nine six. Yeah. 699. This looks nice. GOB March 40th from the call. GLBE. What else do we have? Sorry, guys. We're just vibing. Some days, trading's just slow. FOMC days are the slow days. Because nothing happens during the day. But then at 30 minutes right before it happens, price action is crazier than a Mexican tea party. Liquid, I saw that. Should we do it? Oh, you bought it. GLB. Oh, typed in the wrong thing. GLBE. From March. Okay. March 40 calls. Well, I just want I kind of want to do SPX at the end of the day. I'm not gonna take the globe yet. Hmm. You took it already, so yeah, we're just chilling. There's nothing going on right now, Liquid. Can't even trade futures. Can't do nothing. I already jumped into PSTG, by the way, because you told me to. Did you do a call out for that already? I'm gonna do it. PSTG. Is that like a soccer club? In like Europe? I know I'm not crazy. That's a soccer club, right? Wait, why did we take PSTG? I'm so hungry right now. Fuck. Like COVID's like made me hungry because I barely ate anything the last 3 days. Now my body's like fiending for food. I made like ramen in the middle of the night last night. Actually, it's like 11 p.m. 1.4 billion at 69.85. 2 billion at 7,000. I swear we're gonna go over 7,000 today on those SPX. God damn. They're $9. Well, that's your ticket right there. Can I go 1,000 to 20,000? One trade? What do you think, Liquid? Should we do it? It needs to be cheaper. Let's just do a bunch of spy calls. Because that's a smarter move to do. Thanks, boys. Thank you, boys. Thank you, boys. JC the Barber. What's up, dude? How are you? WDC. Random. Average fill is $43 a contract. WDC. That's interesting. Damn, Liquid. We missed WDC. Do you see this? Liquid. What? That's crazy. Is your brother done getting ready? I mean, like, right now? Okay. Thanks, my guy. How's your trading, JC? Anything good? How's work? How's life? Hopefully you're not like in a crazy east coast northeast storm. Shimoody. Hey, there's which one in? Yeah, trade will be. Yeah, I haven't touched anything. They say Top Step is working because they have their own data and system, so I don't want to trade that either because we have FOMC. But right now it's on a bullish move. I mean bearish move. If I were to trade, probably do a light move. I'm gonna go short on the next impulse. Here's the impulse. Bro, yeah. Overnight trading was really great last night. Really great. Dude, can't believe we missed his WTC move. Both equally. I would say 60% options for futures. You don't see me doing futures often, like on screen time, because I lock it overnight. And by the time it's morning, if I haven't locked it, I would jump on, lock it real fast, hit my profit target, get out. Bro, what is happening? We just could have just bought WC contracts and just be rich off this move. Fuck. I'm assuming you're just doing futures all the time, right, JC? Now the question is, are you doing silver? Because silver's the thing now. Futures good trading. Just purely trading price action. Exactly what you want to do. Options, you just got to be smarter about it. We just wait for pullbacks to enter. Yeah, I do M and Q. NQ. No, once in a while I'll do silver when I have a big enough buffer. Spy do something crazy. I'm gonna short NQ on every impulse opposite. I'm shorting at 190. My futures trader. Hey, thanks for the follow. You on every day? Yeah, I am. Every morning at opening. I try to be. I'm not dying sick, traveling. But yeah, I was pretty consistent too. I traveled and I got sick, and then I'm back. You can still hear my voice and coughing my brains out. But yeah, I'm on. And I'll be off by like 8 o'clock. Boys? Because one of the boy gotta go to school. I gotta get ready soon. Are you East Coast, West Coast? Arizona, probably. Late work. You wait, what? How's the weather right now? Chicago. That's disgusting when I check footage. Like, how do you do it? It's like negative 500 degrees. Wild. Nope. No, thank you. Oh, stay safe. That place reminds me of that movie. 2012. California. So it's not negative degrees here. Thank God. How did they miss my? Later, my guy. Hey Cece, should we go spy 700 for tomorrow? I'm a little baby. Yeah, I bet. That's what happens when you party too much, man. Spy 700 for tomorrow. Is that the play? Are we bullish? Like they're gonna go on and be like, I'll clean it up. Aspen, you gotta stop licking yourself, girl. Okay. Dude, where's Vinyl? Is he okay? Hi, beauty. Lottos. Yeah, I just bought some. Lottos. CC. Just lottos. I'll full port SPX later today, though. 0 day. It's either gonna hurt or it's gonna burn. You know? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Pull back. Uh, feel a little gappy gap. Back down support line, 695 area. But then we have earnings, right? So if we didn't have FOMC, I would buy it. But then earnings, it's the tricky part. But yeah, my thesis, I would buy here after this pullback. I expected a pullback today, and it's doing that. Yeah. So I think Thunder trading, don't trade. Yeah. Trade over is down ish. Data is all jacked up. If you want to do futures, if you're not on Top Step already, Top Step's working fine with data. I'm not. I haven't touched trading on here at all on trade over and trading view. I'm not touching that until like they say it's fixed. Wait, who's earnings today? What's this calendar? Liquid, do you have that picture of the earnings for today? Or CC in the room? I know I saw it earlier, right? Yeah, right there. Found it. Thank you guys. Microsoft Meta. Hey, you think Meta's gonna push? Meta's gonna like go nutty today? I feel like waste management's a hit. WM. I think waste management would be great. Yeah, Microsoft Meta. I lean yes for Tesla too. Service now. We haven't traded this one for a while. Liquid CC. That thing's a moneymaker. Until it wasn't. Getting smacked by that 113. Let's do some charting, y'all. What is this? Okay. Bro, Meta does that. You know, just go straight up to like 760 tomorrow. Recently, what they do? They cut the department cost on their AR team, which is good. They moved headcount. I think Meta's gonna do good. I don't see any like. I don't see why people were like trashing it. Why were they trashing it? Okay, you want bagel, right, buddy? Okay. I'm gonna leave the stream running. Just gets bagel for the kids. BRB. Put on some silver. Ridiculousness. Just gonna bait the silver hose. Jason, hey Jason. Super lottos, but I am looking at 700 spy for tomorrow. Super lottos. You just got a trade. Nice. But yeah, that's my look for the end of the day. We were just talking about earnings today. Meta, Microsoft. Oh, I had it right here. So dumb. But I don't mind taking 700 calls like at this level, this bounce, this support level. Put on SPY. Yeah, 695. Pullback expected. NQ. I'm shorting NQ right now, Leighton. I enter at 190. And I'm just going down. I'm going to target 122. I'm going to short every opposite impulse. So it goes green. I'm shorting that candle until it breaks. I'm just going to ride a 20 EMA down. I'll flip it when it holds 20. I'm going to ride a 9 EMA down. I'm going to flip it green when it breaks the 20 and reverses. Re-entry, look for every opposite impulse. For example, what I mean by that is I'm on a 3 minute. So this is the opposite impulse. So you would enter here. You wouldn't enter this one. So it comes back down. Hopefully it continues down. Yeah. Okay, let me go make it for you. But just wait until it comes down a little bit more. Breaks this level right here. Which level is this? 618. Yep. It breaks this. It's gonna retest that. You can enter again. So opposite impulse. So I'm just riding that red line down. Okay, let's get you bagel. Motivated blessing. What's up, dude? Put the peanut butter on the table. It's hard to see your mouse. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, sorry, Lane. So what I mean by impulse opposite is that when you have an impulse, like this is current downtrend, right? And if thesis being short, impulse opposite would be this white candle, and you would short this white candle on next one as a short. But right now, it's testing a 9, going back up. Hey, chill out. So that's why I said ride the 9, the red line, until the 20 breaks. So it's retesting the 20, which is the 20 EMA. So right now, wait, see if the red stays. Sorry, dude. Did you catch that? Trying to make food for the kids quickly. You didn't catch it? All right, cool. Let me try again. So right now, well, let's look up here. When I say short the impulse, like let's say we have a downtrend, and this was a down move right now. I mean, at that moment, and you're looking for an entry, I say enter on the opposite impulse. The opposite impulse is always the one that's opposite from the current trend. So the red, 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 white. And you just enter on a white. Red, 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 white. Enter on a short on the white. Red, red, white, and then you could enter. But you gotta check. You gotta know your levels too, right? If it's coming down to a support level, you just gotta wait and see like if that support level is gonna break or not. Yeah, I don't know why my cursor's not showing up. It's like a really thin line on the trading view. I wonder if I can change like cursor. Yes, my guy. Oh yeah, be right back. Kids are like food ready. Cross here. Possibly. Orange, so y'all can see. Buttons. I can't change the shape of the crosshair. I think that's better. Yeah, I'll be back on. Let me get kids ready for school. I think he's going to school. Who knows? Dude, I love it. Meme wave followed. I'm not even here. Hey, appreciate that. You're a real G for that. Was there a link? Hi, Christian. I don't talk much into Discord, but y'all be cooking. We're hitting y'all chats. Yeah. The options, fellas, smacking options. In the futures, guys, in the futures room, smacking futures. If you're not making money in there, then I don't know what you're up to. You know? Your tiny account, Christian? You don't have a tiny account. You have a tiny little D. Yeah, I love them too. Yep. So, Leighton, you see how it tested the 20? So it pushed to the 9, right? The red line. 9 EMA. It tested the 20 and got rejected. Now we're back on the current downtrend. I'd love to see it. I love to see it. Who doesn't get happy about this shit? When lines just smacking. Move my profit down. I'm targeting 122. I expect a bounce right here at 136, which I should move my TP up to 136. Right here, 36. What's the blue area? It's the ocean, Christian. It's my secret sauce. Shut the fuck up. Get out of here. You're not invited. Gee, do you want to FaceTime? No, I don't want to FaceTime you. Why do I want to FaceTime you? But I'll FaceTime your sister. How's Lisa doing, Christian? I used the main one. I used 113 and 200. Bro, you said she's in college. Why are you always making up lies? You probably don't even have a sister. You really made up a Lisa character, didn't you? You catfish all the old guys. I knew it. I knew it. It's been 3 weeks for a lot of them, so I gotta send out their notes. So today, starting today. It's a good time for me to purge. Like who's actually using the Discord correctly and wants to stay, or just not caring. Then they're just wasting space. 920, 113, 200. Yeah, you can actually do that. Those are the 4 lines you can use. A lot of people use the 50 too. The 50 as well. Tristan, ready? Go change if you want to go to school. We'll just be a little bit late. You know what, guys? I will be back on after I take my kids to school. But yeah, I'll be back on later, and we'll trade for the rest of the day. I miss being on live, so I'll be on live all day actually. I'll be back. Thanks, y'all.